Easy guys, welcome back to the channel. First off, I'd like to say a massive thank you for all the likes and positive comments on the van tour video. As soon as lockdown's over, we will definitely be out there filming the best vans in Lowdown for you guys. It really gave us a boost. We've been out and bought a better camera, hence the picture quality on here. Mics, wireless mics, gimbals, stands. We spent a small fortune on this stuff, so we're really going to give it a big shot later this year, hopefully, as soon as lockdown's over. So yeah, massive thank you for that. But while we're stuck here and while I've got all this awesome filming equipment, I thought I'd give it a little whirl and show you guys what we've been up to behind the scenes. As some of you know, we sell our clothing, merch, air ride systems and bits at the VW shows. So we have to take probably 2 vans worth of stuff. We've got a massive gazebo that takes 4 people just to carry the thing. It's huge. Shop we then have to set up, and all the stock we have to put in that. And then obviously trying to keep it locked up at night time, and then putting it down on a Sunday when you're hungover as well. It's horrendous. So we had the idea of putting it in a trailer, but then we thought we may as well put it in a caravan, so we've got somewhere to sit and stuff. The problem with the caravan is they're just fucking butt ugly. So we've bought an old vintage one and done what we do best. We've slammed it down to the ground. It's going on full air ride suspension with remote management, so we can lift it up and down as we drive. Before the camera turned up, I got a bit excited, so I've already been out and chopped it about a bit. But I'll put a picture in the in now of what it looked like when I got it. It looked like a giant pink vagina. It was horrendous. And I'll take you outside now and show you what we've done. And there it is, the Lowdown shop. Obviously it's not finished yet, it's not even halfway through the build really, but we've got it down, we've got it painted. It just needed to happen for it to even sit on my drive. It just looked hideous. Obviously you can see we've lowered it about a foot. I haven't got it in measurements, I should have measured it really, but we're halfway through the wheel and the camber's insane. So the rear axle's sat on the ground, we've had to modify the jockey wheel last night, so now that front A-frame is sat on the ground as well. I cannot wait to tow this into the shows with the van. It's going to look so sick. We've got a bit of chrome coming for the side, which I might matte down a bit to match the windows. We've got chrome tints coming for the actual windows, with black Lowdown logos for those. We're going to be opening up this side for the shop counter. We were going to use the window on its own originally, but we've lowered it so much that it's actually at crotch height. We don't really want to be handing bags of merch to people's genital area really, so we're going to be opening that up. If I take you guys inside around here, oh my god, this camera's so good. Come around the back, you've got a little opaque window. It was so chintzy in there before, it was rank, so we'll be getting rid of all this. Hence you can tell my daughter's been peeling it all off. We're going to be stripping all the wallpaper. It'll be nice and white in here, so black outside, white on the inside. Just put this flooring down, which is left over from the house. Started on the U-shaped bench last night, so I'm going to finish that off in a minute. So you've got a U-shaped bench for everyone to sit at and chill with a table in the middle. And then if you go around to this side, we're going to have keep all the storage around the top here, but I might redo it, make it look a bit nicer. Have some shelving down there for the stock. We're going to have obviously the opening here with the counter along there. Here we're going to have a seat, so when you're sat, you can sit down at the counter, because at the moment you have to either use a stool or just stand there all day. It's horrible. We are going to try and keep the toilet just for, I don't know, emergencies or the girls, or you know, because sometimes on the Sunday the shows, the toilets are a bit minging, so it's there anyway, you may as well use it. Now, the interesting bit So we've cut the chassis rails completely so we can bring the beam up as much as we can, A-framed over the top of that, and then welded in structural supports back to the chassis. We've had to notch out the beam to allow the arm to come up through, so quite a lot of work's gone into this. We've had to raise the shock mounts. We might need new shocks, so we might be contacting Beilstein for those soon. Jack at Dropworks, he has laser cut some bag mounts that will sit on here, and then some D-shaped bag mounts for the top there. So Chris is coming up the weekend to bring over that stuff. The air tank, if I take it outside, the air tank is actually going to sit outside on the A-frame there in front. So we're going to have the tank there with the gauge on top of it. And then the management's all going to be done on a remote, so I can adjust it while I'm driving. Then when we get into the shows, I can deck it and just let it scrape all the way through. Oh, it's going to be so good. I cannot wait to tow it with the van. It's going to look awesome. Right, that's the update done, guys. Only a short video today. If you would like me to carry on updating you on the Caravan, or just do a big reveal at the end, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Really enjoyed using this camera. It's so much better. The picture quality is amazing. Hopefully lockdown's over soon, and we'll see you guys till next time.